Welcome to our Customer Service course. During this Certified Business Professional program, we'll teach the foundation for quality customer service with a focus on building lifelong customer relationships using effective customer care strategies. We recommend this course for learners who are customer service professionals, service agents, frontline workers, managers, supervisors, or business professionals. At the end of this course, your learners will have a good understanding of customer service, learn about communication skills, learn how to know your customer, discover how to calm upset customers, learn about proper telephone customer service and internet customer skills, discover time and stress management strategies as well. Training times are normally arranged in more manageable sessions of 6 hours over 2 days and can be delivered virtually or at your workplace. By choosing this short course, you're offering your staff the opportunity to learn when and where they want at a pace that suits them. It will also give your learners the opportunity to consume content in short bursts and will enable them to apply their knowledge in the workplace immediately, instantly boosting their productivity.